Welcome to Prime Auto Insights. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom Series II is more than just a luxury sedan. It's a statement of prestige, power, and craftsmanship. With a starting price hovering around $500,000, this rolling masterpiece redefines automotive opulence, blending cutting-edge technology with timeless elegance. But does it justify its sky-high price tag? From the very first glance, the Phantom Series II commands attention. The redesigned Pantheon grille, now subtly illuminated, gives it a more imposing presence, while the new laser headlights provide unmatched visibility and a futuristic aesthetic. Rolls-Royce has kept its evolutionary approach, refining rather than reinventing, ensuring the Phantom remains instantly recognizable while incorporating modern enhancements. The signature Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament stands proudly above, a symbol of status that has graced Rolls-Royce vehicles for over a century. Step inside, and you're transported into a world of unparalleled luxury. Every Phantom is handcrafted to perfection, with the finest leather upholstery, hand-polished wood veneers, and deep pile lambswool carpets that feel softer than anything you'll find in even the most exclusive penthouses. The Starlight headliner, now offering customizable shooting star animations, transforms the cabin into a celestial wonder. Rear passengers are treated to an executive lounge experience, complete with reclining seats, power footrests, hidden champagne coolers, and fold-out picnic tables wrapped in the finest materials money can buy. Technology seamlessly blends with heritage, ensuring the Phantom is both classic and cutting-edge. The next-generation infotainment system, hidden behind an elegant glass panel, provides a clutter-free dashboard while delivering state-of-the-art connectivity. Rolls-Royce's bespoke audio system, fine-tuned for the Phantom's ultra-quiet cabin, offers an immersive listening experience unlike any other. Rear seat entertainment screens, controlled by a crystal rotary dial, allow passengers to personalize their experience with ease. Under the hood lies a 6.75L twin-turbocharged V12, producing 563 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. But numbers don't define the Phantom. Its power delivery is effortless, whisper-quiet, and as smooth as silk. Thanks to air suspension and the innovative flag-bearer system, which scans the road ahead and adjusts the suspension in real time, the Phantom glides over any surface with an almost magical sense of serenity. Active noise cancellation technology further ensures that the cabin remains an oasis of tranquility, blocking out even the slightest road noise. Driving the Phantom is an experience like no other. The steering is light yet precise, making it easy to maneuver despite its imposing size. But for many owners, the rear seat is where the true magic happens. This is a car designed to be driven in, offering a level of comfort that no rival can match. The extended wheelbase version provides even more legroom, transforming the back seat into a mobile luxury suite. When it comes to safety and driver assistance, Rolls-Royce leaves no stone unturned. The Phantom Series II is equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, night vision assistance, and a 360-degree camera system that ensures effortless parking despite the car's grand proportions. But now comes the big question: is the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom Series II worth its $500,000 plus price tag? Compared to rivals like the Bentley Mulsanne or the Mercedes Maybach S680, the Phantom stands in a league of its own. While other ultra-luxury sedans offer high-end materials and powerful engines, none deliver the sheer presence, craftsmanship, and exclusivity of a Rolls-Royce. For those who demand the absolute best, where money is no object and comfort is non-negotiable, the Phantom remains the undisputed king of luxury sedans. But is it the right car for you? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth car reviews.